chemistry. I can see it in your eyes.
Ask me anything. Just hold the camera, please, because I need to drive.
Yeah, okay.
Right, safety first.
Tell me a little bit about your job. A quick introduction for not professionals.
Okay, we're testing the cars that is not out in the market yet.
Yeah.
Very short.
That was too short.
Very short. But again, that's why we have this channel right now.
Yeah.
This channel can show you guys, of course, with each video we will talk about each topic and each sections in our daily business. That's the thing that we want to show with this channel. What are we doing? In which phase are we during the product development? It's nice music.
Yeah, nice.
Most of the development departments are outsourcing those kind of projects. For example, we have a new transmission for an already existing car that needs to be tested. Of course, you don't take a prototype car, you take a pre or series car,
Yeah.
and put in this new transmission into that car, and then you drive and test that specific transmission. This is an outsourcing program. AMEC is testing this transmission on how the customer wants it, or the development department from each OEM or tier 1 wants to have it tested. You have a cycle, timeline, or mileage. It depends. And also, we are simulating within a short time period a lifetime of how the regular person aftermarket would use it. For example, like 60,000 miles needs to be driven with this transmission. We can perform that within approximately, like, it depends on the shifts, 6 months. It simulates a drive of a regular person aftermarket of 10 years. You can turn it up.